Hi guys, it's me again. We're here with another unboxing, but this time it's for the QIYI QIDI S, and I'm terrible with names. It's a 2x2. It's the cheapest one that I found on the website speedcube.com.au, and let's check it out. Oh, it's kind of hard to open. Okay. So we've got the cube. And we've got a little pamphlet, as usual, expected. Alright, let's do some times with this. Yeah, it seems pretty good, but for $5.50, this is basically what I expected. Corner cutting could be better. Oh, the design looks very cool inside. Corner cutting could be better, but all around it's a pretty nice cube. It's smooth and the plastic feels different to other 2x2s. It feels like better quality. And for $5.50 cube, I'm very surprised. Okay, thank you for listening to my review, and peace.